In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Amex reward dollars for both the Blue Cash and Blue Cash preferred cards. Whether you're looking to treat yourself with some purchases or simply want to relieve your account balance, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. First, let's start by visiting the American Express website, where you'll find all things related to earning, enjoying, and redeeming your rewards. Navigate over to the Blue Cash section, where you'll notice a membership guide specifically for Blue Cash preferred cardholders. This guide is a treasure trove of information on how you can maximize and use your rewards efficiently. Once you familiarize yourself with the basic membership perks, head on to the rewards section. Here, you'll discover a detailed guide on the various ways you can redeem your Amex reward dollars tailored specifically for your needs. Now, let's get started with the actual redemption process. Begin by logging into your American Express account. Once you're in, look for the option that says Use Reward Dollars. This is your gateway to turning your accumulated points into value. Click on that link, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose exactly how many reward dollars you'd like to use. For many, the best option is applying these reward dollars as a credit toward your next statement balance. This is an efficient way to reduce what you owe. Enter the amount of reward dollars you wish to apply and confirm your choice. Typically, it takes around 3 days for this credit to appear on your statement, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. Keep in mind though, while this credit will help reduce your overall balance, it will not cover the minimum payment due. Make sure not to overlook this, as you still need to fulfill your minimum payment obligations to keep your account in good standing. As you get the hang of using your rewards, remember this system not only provides you with savings, but also adds a layer of flexibility in managing your card expenses. Regularly monitor your reward dollars balance so you know exactly what you have at your disposal. If you're new to using rewards, it may seem a bit daunting at first, but following these steps ensures a smooth experience. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to redeem your Amex reward dollars. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. With these tips, you're well on your way to maximizing the benefits offered by your Blue Cash or Blue Cash preferred card. Thank you for tuning in, and happy redeeming.